Hey, junkies. I want to do a quick video. We've got a direct drive came in. Timer's bad. The water pump's not even on it. Most direct drives, we keep them, we save them, but they're easy to flip. You can replace everything on them for pretty cheap. But this one with the timer, we looked up the timer. It's just going to cost too much. It ain't worth it. It was one of these good 70 series Kenmores. Let's get over here to it. These things are built like tanks, man, but it was just its time. So we're just gonna strip this one down. We're not gonna sell the transmission. We're not gonna sell, the basket. Everything's good on this one. So we're gonna keep a lot of this and just keep it in house. You don't sell everything. Learn what to keep and learn what to sell. So these we use so much and go through so many of them that we're just gonna keep everything on this one. But we're gonna strip it out. Won't take but a few minutes, and we'll throw it on film here. All right, here she is. Here's the direct drive, and I'll see how much of this I can do with one hand, guys. But basically, we're just gonna take this faceplate off first. 2 screws, 2 hex head nuts in the back. We'll pop that off. We'll pop the body off, and then we'll get down to business. I'll try and see what I can do this one hand. I'll just push this forward a little bit. Grab this one and knock it forward a little bit. Now let us pop up. There we go. Now we're talking. So here's a timer. Here's our water pressure switch, of course. Someone's done a good job. They zip tie these. Always zip tie these. These are good. And I'll show you on the drum where to zip tie them. That's a good thing to do. This one actually still has. There we go. This one still has the lid switch intact. That's unusual. You don't see too many of that. All right, got our flathead screwdriver. Pop these clips off. Keep these. These are good. You're going to run out of these. Keep those in stock for yourself. Same thing with these clips. We're keeping all this washing machine. We're keeping all this stuff for ourselves. And you're going to run through these, so you don't have to call Matt and order them later. Open the lid up. Just gonna pick up on the cabinet, tilt it towards us. Just drag it back. Put this body over here out the way for now. And that's what we're looking at. So there's your washer, direct drive Kenmore without the body on it. Here's your pressure hose down to here. We'll cut that zip tie off, get this back off, strip out this drum. Cut this little zip tie off. The back of this is gonna want to fall because this one, oh look right here, this one's broke, so look for this back to fall. Let's see if we can catch it. Oh, there we go. Come over here. This out. Go ahead and get this back out of the way. 3 screws down here. These are the pads. I've had to replace quite a few of these here lately, but if you look, these are about worn out too. They're not broken, but they're worn down. But this will throw it off big time and make your washing machine beat and bang. And this direct drive doesn't have rods, obviously, so first thing to check when it starts beating and framming are these pads right here, and they're on the frame. They're easy to replace. You just lay it down on its side and pop them out with a screwdriver like I just did. But so there's 3 of them, and keep your eye on these if your washing machine starts beating and banging. There's our bucket with all our stuff in it. Don't lose any of that. Out the way. Takes a man to do that. Thing stripped out. This is what we're going to keep. Of course, our water valve and just, our pads here, turbos, our motor, everything. The transmission's good, the clutch was good. So wiring harness. So we're going to keep a few good things that we're always going to need here around the shop. We're not going to sell these this time. These are more valuable in-house. So just a quick video how to tear that thing down, guys. You can see it's real simple. I only need a handful of tools. And hope you like this video, and like and subscribe.